Are you struggling to generate high-quality leads for your B2B business in 2023? Well, look no further. In this video, we will be sharing 11 effective lead generation strategies that you can implement today to attract and convert more leads than ever before. So grab a pen and paper and let's dive in. If you're new to the channel, my name is Jay Feldman. I'm founder of CMO at Otter Agency, the #1 ranked agency on Clutch, G2, and UpCity in the country. We have more than 55 full-time employees in a beautiful office. And if you stay until the end of this video, I'm going to be giving you our most valuable free course and community for lead generation. So let's dive right in with strategy number 1, and that is utilize account-based marketing, or ABM. Account-based marketing is a highly targeted approach that focuses on a specific account or business rather than individual leads. With ABM, you can create customized campaigns and messaging that resonates with your target accounts, which increases your chance of converting them into customers. Strategy number 2, leverage social media advertising. Social media platforms such as LinkedIn and Twitter offer highly effective advertising options for B2B businesses. With advanced targeting options, you can reach your ideal audience and generate leads at a fraction of the cost of traditional advertising. Just a quick note here from personal experience, LinkedIn advertising can get very expensive and Twitter advertising isn't quite there yet. Facebook is still the best place to be as a business advertising. All right, strategy number 3, implement live chat on your website. By adding a live chat feature to your website, you can engage with your website visitors in real time, answer their questions, and guide them towards conversation. Live chat is a proven lead generation tactic that can help you increase your conversion rates and build stronger relationships with your prospects. Little tidbit on live chat, we use a platform called Tidio. It is very user-friendly. It's a little bit expensive, but it is awesome for agencies and services, not so much for software companies that need to do support tickets. Very different types of live chat. All right, strategy number 4, and that is create high-quality content. Creating high-quality, informative content is a great way to attract and convert leads. By sharing valuable insights and industry knowledge, you can establish your business as an authority in your niche and attract more leads who are interested in what you have to offer. And just a little bit extra here, when it goes to establishing yourself as an authority in your niche, use PR, use articles in the media, use TV appearance to solidify your authority in your industry. You can hire Otter PR to do that. Strategy number 5, use personalization in your marketing. Especially nowadays, you need to be doing this. Personalization is a powerful lead generation tactic that can help you create a more personalized experience for your prospects. By tailoring your messaging and content to their specific needs and pain points, you can increase the chances of converting them into customers. And nowadays, with software, personalization is so easy. There's tools like Hyperize where you can create mass personalized images using AI and using a variable technology. So look into some of these tools, it's really cutting edge. All right, strategy number 6, leverage influencer marketing. Influencer marketing is a great way to reach new audiences and generate leads. By partnering with influencers in your niche, you can tap into their existing audience and promote your business to a highly targeted group of potential leads. Now, influencer marketing doesn't work for everybody. If you're an e-commerce brand, highly recommend using influencer marketing. If you're a marketing agency, it might not work as well. So all of these things are very determinant on what your business model is and looks like. So take that into account as you're developing your marketing strategy. All right, strategy number 7, optimize your website for lead generation. Your website is the foundation of your lead generation efforts. By optimizing your website for lead generation, you can create a seamless user experience that guides your visitors towards conversion and maximizes your chance of generating leads. If your website just looks like a page with a whole bunch of buttons and options, you're not going to be able to convert very well and you're not going to get very good data. I recommend using a funnel tool like ClickFunnels or Go High Level with specific intent in mind. So if you want to get the opt-in, if you want to get the click, if you want to get the calendar book, or even the purchase, when they're on that page, they should only have one thing to do. All right, strategy number 8, use video marketing. Video marketing is a highly engaging and effective lead generation tactic. By creating informative and entertaining videos that showcase your products or services, you can attract and convert more leads than ever before. And while you're watching this video, which is a perfect example, now is a great time to start a YouTube channel if you've not already done that. And it is not too late to grow a social media audience on Instagram, TikTok, or Snapchat. Start now, you won't regret it. All right, strategy number 9, offer free trials or demos. Offering free trials and demos demos is a proven lead generation tactic that can help you increase your conversion rates. By giving your prospects a taste of what you have to offer, you can build trust and credibility and encourage them to make a purchase. It also lets them know that, hey, I know what I'm doing and I'm confident enough in my product to let you sample it before you pay us a lot of money. This strategy can be instrumental if you're just starting out as a marketer and you're going to be, say, doing a lead generation service for somebody. If you can do this for free for them for a couple weeks, prove your value, then it's going to be an easy sale. All right, strategy number 10, utilize email marketing. Email marketing is a cost-effective lead generation tactic that can help you reach your target audience and nurture your leads towards conversion. By creating targeted email campaigns and automating your follow-up process, you can generate more leads and increase your revenue. And if you're not new to the channel, you know how much I love email marketing. So I've done a ton of videos on this subject that you can access in this channel. I believe the playlist is Cold Email Marketing. So check that out, watch those videos. You won't regret it. With that being said, I promised you access to our lead generation course. And to do that, all you have to do is go to my Instagram account, CMO J Feldman, shoot me a follow and shoot me a DM that says Lead Gen Course, and I will send you a personalized invitation to join our course and community. This normally costs thousands of dollars to join, but because you're watching this video and you're one of our early subscribers, you'll have access. All right, with that being said, let's go to the final strategy number 11. Build strong relationships with your customers. Finally, building strong relationships with your customers is crucial for long-term lead generation success. By providing excellent customer service, listening to their feedback, and offering ongoing support, you can turn your customers into loyal brand advocates who will refer new leads to your business. And as somebody who's been in business a long time, I can personally say from experience, if you cannot generate a business that is generating referrals after 3 years, your business is doomed to fail. Something is wrong on your delivery end, something is wrong on your customer satisfaction, and you need to fix this if you're going to succeed. And then make it really easy for your current clients to refer new business and incentivize them to do so as well. All right, finally, it's time for you to take action and implement these strategies in your own business. Remember, lead generation is an ongoing process that requires patience, persistence, and willingness to experiment and try new things. Start small, focus on the strategies that resonate with your target audience, and track your results to see what's working and what's not. With the right approach and a commitment to continuous improvement, you can generate more high-quality leads and grow your B2B business in 2023 and beyond. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a like, and if you're not already, please subscribe to our channel and pound that bell notification so that you keep an edge over your competition. You never miss more videos like this. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.